welcome back, or for the very first time, to the Homeschool Resource Room Insider, where everyone is welcome and your questions are answered in 5 minutes or less. Hey, it's Ashley from the Homeschool Resource Room Insider, and today we're talking about THiNK OUTSiDE boxes. This is a nature subscription box that will get your kids outdoors and can also be used as a supplement or an outdoor kind of nature curriculum. These boxes are geared for kids in elementary school, K through 5, but I'll say I think that they can really be used for any age group. My 10-year-old loves the activities and kind of games inside and using all of the materials, especially the binoculars. I'm going to have to give these back in a minute. I really think it's a great way to bring in that nature-based learning into your homeschool, especially if you're not really an outdoors person. I am not. It gives you all of the support and everything you need in one monthly subscription box. So a couple things why I think THiNK OUTSiDE boxes make a really good homeschool curriculum and take that kind of nature curriculum to the next level. They do have a program for homeschoolers with lesson plans online. These are also great for alternative schools, and they are approved for certain charter schools and would be good for co-op if you're teaching like a small group of kids. The activities, guides, lessons, and curriculum all coordinate with a monthly theme, and you can check those themes out on the website, which is really nice. And they're seasonal, and we're always learning about the seasons here somehow. With kids between 6 and 10, seasons is just a recurring theme every single year in science and STEM for us. Also, I want to point out that these are not like a one and done subscription box. A lot of boxes send you the materials, you do it for 30 minutes, and then you're done. But THiNK OUTSiDE boxes has enough materials to work with in their boxes that you're going to be able to extend this over, several days or several weeks, depending on how much you want to do your nature curriculum. Another thing is that the materials in these boxes are real solid materials that you're probably going to want to keep in like a nature box or a toolbox instead of a toy box. There's a real first aid kit, there's real binoculars. Everything you get in these boxes are quality materials that you're going to want to keep and reuse over and over. A few things that I think make THiNK OUTSiDE boxes stand out. First, can I just put out there that I am not an outdoors person? I would like to be, but I am not naturally an outdoorsman. These boxes come with so much content to them. I wanted to show it to you because I want to call it a booklet, but these aren't really booklets. They're long books loaded with tons of activities, materials, how to use the stuff that came with the box, and then also how to use materials that you're finding in nature to create art, music, to do STEM activities. There's character development, kind of history, social studies kind of stuff, and it's really cool, and they're very interesting. And I only have 2 left because my kids have taken off with the other one. They really enjoy going through this stuff and learning about all different kinds of things that are related to their monthly theme. I think this is a really unique alternative to kind of the traditional nature curriculum that you might see out there that would just be a textbook or a workbook that tells you what to do outside. I mean, these are really motivating for my kids. They want to do the activities. They want to kind of dig into the new materials. And these are things, honestly, that I just don't have around the house. So it's nice to have everything come to the door and make it really easy for me to be able to, give them something that they can play with, it, they can learn with it, they can really enjoy it. I would recommend THiNK OUTSiDE boxes to families who either want a nature kind of get outdoors supplement to their regular kind of homeschool program. This is great for, a range of ages. My kids 6 through 10 are all enjoying this together, and there's enough materials in each box to kind of go around. Or if you're looking for a year-long nature study curriculum, I think that this is really solid. These boxes can be extended to cover your nature curriculum and kind of brings in all kinds of other learning experiences. This is an engaging experience for your kids. It's flexible enough, to fit kind of any kind of homeschool schedule that you've got, so you can get outside when the weather is nice. And it's really convenient for parents to teach, especially, I'm going to say probably if you're already an outdoors person, it would make it really easy, but I am not an outdoors person, and it even made it easy for me. So between the box, the activity guide, and the online lesson plans that you can view, I'll leave a link below, you have enough material to cover either like a week-long nature study or use it weekly throughout the month. Do keep an eye out on their website. Sometimes there's a pop-up for a discount. And if you have any other questions for me, email me, Ashley@thehomeschoolresourceroom.com.